Cool, big fan switch. Welcome to my very first real unboxing video on Carneth. Well, we're obviously looking at a gaming PC build today, so let's start with the case. It's a Corsair Carbide Series 88R Micro ATX mid-tower case, as you can read right there. It's pretty fancy, and for just over 40 euros it's a great deal for a budget build like mine. Let's get it out. Finally, awesome. Got the ports on the front, USB 2, 3, audio and power. That's for an optical drive, obviously, which I'm not going to use because who needs optical discs these days. Got a nice window on the side right here. I/O back. Got a fan pre-installed, that's nice. Space for a big PSU. That's all there is to it. It's got some dust filters which I'm very pleased with. Sort of a no tool idea here. You can just unscrew it like this. So looking at the inside here, got a little fake HDD in here. I think it ejects towards the other side, so let's get that off as well. Yep, that's a no tool design as well. Just two pieces and we're good. We actually got some more stuff in here. Oh, who would have guessed? More hard drive tray stuff. Let's look at the rest of the PC. And actually, let's start with the motherboard and just, put things in as we go. Oh gosh, another box. That's where the other stuff is, right? Let's look inside. Oh my god, look at that. Just air right here. So, what do we got? Hard drive, apparently. CPU plus cooler. RAM, PSU, the H100M gaming motherboard by MSI. Open it right up. Two. Boom. Nothing fancy. SATA cables and I/O shield. Got red printing on it, which is nice. Things you don't care about. Get this bad boy into this bad girl. Fling carefully. Actually, we need to get the I/O shield in first. Let's pop the motherboard in. Forgot the screwdrivers. Very quick unboxing here. Let's see. Where did my knife go? There we go. Cooler and the processor right there. As you can see, there's some thermal paste already on there. That's very practical. Intel Core i5 6500. How do you do this? This? Like this. You open that, you drop this onto there. Oh no, it doesn't have any pins. I guess that's pretty standard these days, but this Pentium 4 versus this i5. If you look at these compared, then you can see this one has pins and this one doesn't. Yay. Okay, well, anyways, let's drop this guy in here. And then the cooler goes right on here. Click, 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 click. Very simple. That is the cable, and we need to attach it right at the back here. It's a little short. I mean, maybe you're not supposed to leave it in here. What the hell? This is routed the wrong way around. There we go. That's better. Maybe I installed it the wrong way around. Who cares? I'm gonna make this stay here. With magic. Next piece. Let's just do the RAM next. There we go, 16 gigs by Crucial. Very cheap as well. Eight per stick. Come on. Cool. Alright, since we are pretty much done with the components that go on the board itself, yes, there's no GPU for now because I haven't bought one yet. Since we're done with those components, let's get to the hard drive. This motherboard is MSI military class. That is gorgeous. Yeah, whatever. Here's the hard drive tray. Where's the thing? Let's see. There. Wow. Okay. Western Digital Blue, 1 terabyte. SATA, 6 gigabits per second, 64 megabyte cache. Nothing too fancy schmancy, but just fine for my light gaming purposes. Wonderful. Boom. Feed it through like that. Onto one of the SATA ports. Turns out we only have 2.
Please hang up and try again.
That is odd. Oh, no, there you go. There's another 2 SATA ports right here. They are 90 degrees to the side. I guess maybe I should put it on the first one. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'll put it there anyway. OCD galore. Boom. Got the hard drive in there. Let us see. Pretty solid. Finally, the PSU, I guess. There's only one box left. Voila. Let's get wrapping off. Also Corsair, so it should be really compatible with the case. Which doesn't matter, I guess. It was very cheap as well, so just over 40 euros. Power cable. Safety information. Do not eat. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. A few screws. Ouch. Cool. Big fan. Switch. Non-modular. Oh, look at that. Silica. Do not eat, throw away. No, I keep these for the Polaroid pictures, that's right. Big ass power supply. Bunch of cables. You are going in this case right now. I guess just put it in. Oh, actually, I think I should run the cables through the back. So, one big piece of cable here. That's the power one for the motherboard. cable mess out of the box. Haha. It's funny, the cables aren't actually black, but they have this sort of black cover on them. Well, it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't really look cheap, but it feels kind of out of place. Yes, everything. Okay. Oh, of course I have to rotate it. That doesn't sound good. So we got nothing to worry about. Okay, there we go. That was not hard. Just a few screws left, and then we are nearly done. So, in case you were wondering what I was trying to do earlier on the Mac, is I was trying to get the Windows 8 ISO file to restore itself to my USB stick so I could install Windows on here, but that didn't work because Mac and Windows do not like each other. I finished the cable management, did my best. This is my first attempt at cable management ever, so don't blame me if it's terrible. Let's give it a final look here. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing and, well, hardware setup video. I'm not going to make a video about the software setup because that's just tiring. I'm probably going to make a small video talking about the graphics card when I bought one, and maybe a little bit of benchmarks here and there. So stay tuned for that. That should be coming in about 1 or 2 months. Until then, have a good time.